You can use this platform to create and update an article related to automation testing or any other topics you wish for. So you have to have a account to access this platform. So we can register account in the registration page. You have to you have to provide your personal information to create an account. So you have to have an email, name, and then password to create your account. Once it is done, login, go to your login page and then log in your with your credential. Now you need to have an admin account, so that actually you will be able to create an article or edit an article. So I am logging in as an admin to create and edit an article for this video purpose. Yeah, once you logged in, you will be able to see the home page with list of articles which is published already. So yeah, so from there you can click on the article and then view the article what it is, and then you can navigate it, see how the article it is. So to edit the articles, you have to go to article section. So so in the top, if you are admin, in the top bar you will have the article section. So click there, and then that article admin page, you will have the list of articles which is already published and then which is already drafted. You will have it. So right now we will create a new article. So click on this new article button here. You will be seeing the couple of information here, which is article title. So we will see how to create an article. So for this we will set h3 as a header and then click next. So we will see article title. We'll keep article title, and then we will have header as 3, which is, it has to be same as header we set it in the previous section. The previous section is like h3. This will help you to generate table of contents automatically. So yeah, let's create this section. So once you are done with the edit, and then you can even add an image, like for example, go here and choose it. Yeah, so you can make it a size like this, go and edit next. So you will be able to see the preview, which is the same what it looks like when you open the article by the user. So yeah, so this is the preview. So click next. Now you can, if you want to publish this article as it is, so you can click publish and then finish it. If you don't want to publish, you want to edit some more, so you can uncheck it and then you can click finish. Right now we will publish it. Once this publish, you get a message saying that article is saved. So you can go to home page and then see, okay, we have the article. Let's click, and then we have this. Okay, article is published now. You can navigate it. Yeah, so this is all about article section, how to create the new articles. So let's look at how do we edit it. To edit the article, you have to double click, and we can edit anything, like we can change it next, and then go change. We don't want to publish, let's not publish, and then it became draft. And then if you go to home, you don't see the article anymore because it is not published, so it's drafted. So go here. So now you decided to delete it, you can delete the article, but while when deleting this article, it will be removed from the backend, the database. So this action is not recoverable, so please proceed with caution. So click it, you will get a pop-up. In the pop-up it will say that which article you are going to delete, this is not a recoverable action. So once you read it, and then confirm for the deletion. So delete it, article will be removed, then whatever the article presents in the backend, it will be displayed. Yes, this is all about for the article section. So now if you want to edit your personal information, and go to your user section, click on this. So you will have the user info, like your email and the name. So you will be only able to edit name, so you can edit. I wanted to set my name, update it, it will automatically reflect here. So you can change the password. You have to provide your current password, and then you have to provide new password which you wanted to update it. Yeah, that's all about the platform. So thanks for watching.